Dear Silas, my brother in chains, did you know that the worst night of our lives became someone else's greatest miracle? I keep thinking about Philippi, how we freed that slave girl from the demon that made her owners rich, how they dragged us to the marketplace like common criminals, the lies they told about us disturbing their peace. Remember the rods, how they tore our flesh, the jailer shoving us into that inner prison, locking our feet in those stocks like we were murderers. But then you started singing. Brother, with blood on your face and pain shooting through your body, you lifted your voice to heaven, and I joined you, our midnight worship echoing off those stone walls. That earthquake wasn't just about our freedom. Every door opened, every chain fell, but we stayed, because that jailer was about to take his own life, thinking we'd escaped. Instead, he found Jesus. His whole family got baptized that night. Silas, our worship in our worst moment became the key to their breakthrough. That's the power we carry, even in chains.